Hi all and welcome to today's tutorial on bid management on the BEF platform. This is highly related to auctions and participating in them. First of all, you want to log in to your account. Now to view auctions themselves, we want to navigate to the buy page in the marketplace. Now if we only want to look at auctions, we want to click auction here in the listing type, and here we have just one auction available. To view more details, we're going to click the View button here. So now we can see an overview of the project behind the auction. This includes viewing it in a map, viewing the data and documentation related to it in our registry, the SDGs, alongside a summary description and background. We can also view an overview deck, provided it has been submitted. Now to view the actual auction, we want to click this button here, View Auction. So now we can see the details of this auction. We can see the amount in supply, the total number being sold, the minimum price of bids, and the minimum bid quantity. At present, there are no bids. Now we can go back to the page we were previously on by clicking this button here. Now in our situation, we've got funds of around $500,000 US deposited into the BEF account. And what's key is you need to have funds deposited into your account in order to place a bid. In this case, you need 5% of your bid value deposited in order to make that bid. So in our scenario, we're going to bid for 10,000 units at a price of $1.50. It's a value of $15. And what's going to happen is when we click the Submit Bid button, we're provided an overview of our bid value, of which we now need to put in our PIN and have to confirm that we wish to submit this bid and accept the BEF platform terms and conditions. Once ready, click the Submit Bid button. Whilst this is being processed, do not refresh your page. And there you have it, our bid has been submitted. Now we can also view bids, provided there's more than one, here in the View Bid section. This will summarize all the current bids in this auction. In this case, we've only got one bid, which is the one we just created. Now I'm also going to create another bid of 1,000 units at a price of $2. Again, I'm going to submit a bid. Now, one thing worth mentioning, and you'll be able to look at this when going back in the video, is that the funds available, if we click the refresh button now, has been updated. And what's happened is that 5% of our bid value has been taken out of our account and it's being held in escrow. Now, if we ever want to cancel our bid, which you can do by clicking the X here, these funds would be then returned back to your account. And you can cancel your bids at any time prior to the auction deadline. But let's now submit another bid. Again, input our PIN and submit the bid. And there you have it. Our second bid has been submitted. So the question now is, how do we view all the bids we have available? So for this particular auction, we can view our bids in the My Bid section here. And this is also a place where you can cancel it. But to view all your bids across a variety of different auctions, you can view them in the My Asks and Bids tab in your homepage. So let's go to that now by first clicking the My Account button here. If we then navigate to the My Asks and Bids. Now on the My Asks and Bids tab, we'll see all our bids across every auction that we're participating in. And here we can see the two bids that we've just submitted. Now, as with the My Bids tab, we can actually cancel the bids here as well by clicking this cross here. Now, this cross will be visible, as with the My Bids tab in the auction page, up until the auction deadline. Now, once the auction deadline passes, there's a period where the seller has to select which bids to accept. Now, if your bid isn't one of those accepted bids, then what will happen is you'll receive an email notifying you of the updated status of the auction, and this red cross will then reappear so you can cancel your bid manually here. However, next time you log in, this bid will automatically be cancelled. So the option is whether you log in and do it automatically, or you can manually cancel it here as well. Now, if we want to cancel a bid, and provided again the auction deadline hasn't passed, what we want to do is click the cross here, and then we'll see a pop-up which summarizes the bid, and all we have to do is input our PIN, confirm that we wish to cancel this order because this is a permanent action, and then once we're happy, we click the cancel bid button here. Now, whilst this is executing, do not refresh the page. And there you have it. Our order, our bid has been cancelled. And what will happen is the My Bid section will be updated, and the deposit that we've had, so the 5% US dollar deposit for that particular bid, will be returned to the our USD balance, which will be seen in the My Balance tab up here.